King, text nga natin, King.
Oh my God.
Asan ba? Asan ba?
Ay.
Ay!
Once sa Kalumbanay!
Always remember that in life, you only have one button. Man Mark Adelson B. with honors.
So yun guys, graduation day na namin. Dito na ako sa SM Central. Ito na yung toga, ito na yung pin. And mamaya 2 PM pa kami. Kasama namin ang STEM tsaka TVN. Noon na yung UMS tsaka ABF ang mga sila. So yun, tara, samahan nyo ako. So ito ang aking toga and cap. Wow, may logo pa ng gas yan. Mamaya makikita ninyo. So yan, habang nag-rate tayo kay Mama, congratulations sa UMS tsaka sa ABM. And mamaya kami naman. Practice namin ng graduation dance. So yun guys, magmamas kami ngayon. Lorenzo kayo. Yan, angat mo, angat mo. Hold. Hold. Sige.
Pati si JC. Wala.
So yun, kakatapos lang ng aming Thanksgiving Mass. Nagpapapirma sila ng clearance. Ako guys, tapos na ako sa clearance. Tapos with honors ako guys. Sheesh! Ayun sila guys, nagpapapirma ng clearance. So ayun, nandito kami sa sa ano to? Wonder Park yun. Wonder Park. Sadi! You know! Yan na guys, kakanta na si Ron. Sadi! Kakanta ka na? King, kakanta na siya. Ano masasabi mo? Ayun na.
Pag yung original yan,
Arka. One day na lang. Sana lang. Bukas na. Basta kami mag-practice final. On the way kami ng school para kunin yung toga. Isali, hi ka naman. Kunin natin yung toga natin. Kunin natin yung toga natin.
Oo. Saan dito yung CR?
Dito, sa ano?
Yan?
Oo. Okay guys, share mo na kami. Bro! Yan na guys, papasok na ako. Hindi ako wala, hintayin ko pa si Papa guys. Kasama natin si Marco. At kasama natin ang STEM tsaka TVN. Bye kayo guys. Welcome to my world. Hello vlog. Welcome to my guys. So yun guys, malapit na kami mag-marcha. Ay ka naman dyan sa place. Malapit na kami mag-marcha, so mamaya ako kakanta kami. 1:45 mag-start. Time check natin is 1:24. And yan, let's go. Hi King! Graduate na tayo boy. With honors.
Ano ko video mo na?
Vlog to boy.
Man Mark Adelson B. with honors. Gregorio Martins M.
Nakakakit na ako guys. May medal ako. Asan ba guys? Nakakakit na ako. Graduate na ako. King, text nga natin King.
Oh my God.
Asan ba? Asan ba?
Ay.
Ay!
Pia Margaret M. She will
Guys.
receive the award for the best.
Excited?
Tanjaco Victoria Ashley B. with honors. May I call on Zyril Adrian Dicator from ICT 12 St. Nicholas of Flu. Let us give Zyril a warm round of applause.
I'm standing here today on behalf of all TVL and GAS students of the graduating class of 2024. We have finally reached the summit. Our journey as senior high school students has come to an end. As we celebrate this major accomplishment, we would want to extend our most profound level of gratitude to all the people that guided us in our success as graduates. We want to thank God for His continued guidance upon us and for the blessings that we continuously receive. The most heartfelt gratitude also goes to our school administrators who always strive to maintain the integrity of our institution. To the best faculty in the world, thank you for always putting the effort every single day to dedicate yourselves in teaching us in different kinds of things in different branches of knowledge. To us, graduates, and especially to my TVL and GAS community, we shall all pat ourselves in the back. We have all fought a great fight, and we won. You know, even if our track and stand is being portrayed with negative stereotypes sometimes, we should all still stand proud. Be proud that we have that we have survived all those sleepless nights, those times that we were desperate and stressed inside and outside our classrooms, those times that we procrastinate kahit ayaw naman natin, and those overwhelming days of effort and emotion. To the people who became our first teachers, the first and greatest giver of love, our parents. These awards, achievements, and honors are not possible without your everlasting guidance, love, and care for us. We are not who we are without you all. Salamat Columban College for transforming us into wonderful and flourishing young adults. We will certainly miss everyone and everything that you have given us. The friendships, the staff, the teachers, the lessons, the walls, and the halls of our classrooms. We promise that we will always bleed blue wherever we go. And rest assured that we will always bring with us the values set by our patron saint, Saint Columban, that we are Christ and not our own. Your shortcomings now will not define you in the future. The present may be shrouded with darkness, but you'll always have your dreams and ambitions in life that can be the beacon of hope that guides you to a brighter tomorrow. Congratulations, Batch 2024, and Padayong Columbanista!
Loyalty
Loyalty
to Columban College Alumni Association
to Columban College Alumni Association
and all the ideals
and all the ideas
for which it stands.
for which it stands.
I pledge
I pledge
my continuing support
my continuing support
to the Constitution and bylaws
to the Constitution and
of
bylaws
Columban College Incorporated Alumni Association.
of Columban College Incorporated Alumni Association.
I pledge
I pledge
to be true to my Catholic education,
to be true to my Catholic education,
to be always what my college has taught me to be,
to be always what my college has taught me to be,
a true Filipino,
a true Filipino,
a true friend of Christ,
a true friend of Christ,
and a true Columbanite,
and a true Columbanite,
in thoughts,
in thoughts,
in words,
in words,
and in deeds.
and in deeds.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Please take your seat.
Sobrang dami kong natutunan na aral dito sa Columban College Incorporated. Kaya gusto kong pasalamatan ang mga guro na gumabay sa amin mula noong grade 11 kami. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Your guidance and support have made an important contribution to my senior high school journey. All of the knowledge, teachings, and memories you offered me will accompany me to my next stop. This is not a goodbye, but rather, see you again soon. Maraming salamat po.
We could be heroes, me
tapos na kami sumayaw. Tapos na kami sumayaw guys. Sana kita sa live.
Happy graduation. Masaya po kami, masaya po ako na pupunta na po kayo sa susunod na part ng buhay nyo. Sa high school natin, ka-college na kayo. Ito, proud ang bumulong ko po sa inyo. At excited kami makita kung ano po magagawa nyo para sa sarili nyo, para sa pamilya nyo, at syempre para sa Olonga po. God bless po sa inyo lahat and God bless Olonga po.
And with that, graduates, may I request everyone to please stand. Harap sa parents and guardians. And give your parents and guardians the warmest round of applause. Kalumban College will always be your second home because once a Kalumbanite,
Always a Kalumbanite!
and with that, may I request everyone to please stand for the exit of colors, the administration, and the members of the faculty.
Tol, congrats. Sir, ay kasi vlog ko, sir. Ibang vlog ba yan, Tol?
Prince.
Hi, vlog! Message sa mga estudyante na nag-graduate ngayon na pupunta na ng college, ma'am. Ano message mo sa kanila?
Good luck and congrats. First, foremost, congratulations. Now, good luck sa next chapter ng student life nyo. Always remember that in life, you only have one button. That is moving forward. No rewind, just keep moving forward.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Una sa lahat, sana masaya kayo nasa SMX natin graduation. And good luck on your next chapter.
Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Dito muna. Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Dito muna. Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Magkahawak kamay, naglalakad sa may dalampasigan. Saksi ang alon at buwan. Pinipilit sa tibok ng puso tuwing ika'y tumatawa o tumitingin sa aking mata. Kinakabahan na ba?